I will show you how to connect your Printify account to your TikTok shop. It's very simple. So when you're logged into your Printify's account, you can come to click on My New Store and click on Add a New Store. And then here you can click on TikTok. And then you can use an existing Printify store that you have, or you can create a new store. So for us, we can just create a new store. We can just say Printify, blanket, shop, and then click on Connect. Click on I have a TikTok shop account. And next, you want to make sure that you have selected the seller shipping option on your TikTok shop. And before we could do that, we want to make sure that we have correctly set up our shipping information. So let's go to our TikTok shop to make sure. So come up to click this icon, go to My Account, go to Account Settings, click on Warehouse Settings, click on Add a Warehouse, and enter a warehouse name. So we can just enter Printify Products, enter your name and phone number. And for the address, you can enter 4005 Campus Drive. That is Printify's warehouse address. So we can just select this one. Fort Worth, Texas, 76119. Click Save. So that was the pickup warehouse address. So next we are going to do the return warehouse address. So click on Warehouse here. Click on Same as the saved warehouse address. Select Printify Products. Click Save. And then we are done with the return warehouse address. And then under default warehouse storage, you want to click on Edit. If you have multiple different warehouses, you want to click on Set as Default to the one that we had just set up. But if you just have one, that should already be at default. Click on Confirm. So you want to make sure that under default warehouse, it's the one that we just set up. So next we need to create a shipping template. This is super important because without it, you won't be able to add any product. So we can come to this search box and just type in shipping template. Hit enter and then click on shipping templates here and click on create new template, click OK. So you can give your template a name. So I can just say Printify blanket, just an example, and ship from. You want to select the warehouse that we had just set up, Printify Products. For rate model, we can select quantity based. Scroll down, make sure that standard shipping is selected. We can enter 0 if you were to offer free shipping, which I recommend. Click on Add New Group. You want to include Hawaii and Alaska, so that includes all 50 states in the US. Click Save. You want to also enter 0, so you can factor in your shipping cost into the price of your product. So that's what I like to do. Scroll down here and click on Submit. Save the shipping template, save. So here we have the shipping template created. So next up, we can come to Orders, go to Shipping Settings, go to Shipping and Delivery, click on Switch Option. You want to enable seller shipping, click on this. This is important because if you don't enable this, the orders that you receive in your TikTok shop, it won't go directly to Printify. So you want to make sure seller shipping is selected and click on OK. Your preferred shipping option will be changed to seller shipping. Okay. So that's how you enable seller shipping. So let's come back to Printify. You want to check this checkbox. I have selected the seller shipping option and then click on Connect. You will see your shop. Duration of partner access, unlimited is fine. You want to enter your contact email and then click on Confirm to install. Click on this checkbox, click on Authorize. And your Printify store should be directly integrated with your TikTok shop now. I hope that was helpful.